Welcome to Learn English with Movies. In this video, we will talk about the movie The Lion King. This is a famous animated movie about family, bravery, and finding your true path. The movie is full of emotion, great music, and important life lessons. We will explain the story in simple English. You will also learn useful vocabulary and phrases. The story begins with a lion cub named Simba. He is the son of Mufasa, the king of the Pride Lands. Simba is excited to become king one day. His father teaches him about the circle of life and how every creature has a role. Simba loves his father and looks up to him. But not everyone is happy about Simba's future. Scar, Mufasa's brother, wants to be king instead. He is jealous and angry. He makes a plan to get rid of Mufasa and Simba. One day, Scar tricks Simba into going to a dangerous place. Scar causes a stampede and Mufasa dies while trying to save Simba. Simba is very sad and scared. Scar tells Simba it's his fault. Simba runs away, thinking he can never go home. Scar becomes king and rules with fear. Meanwhile, Simba meets Timon and Pumbaa. They teach him a new way of life. They say, Hakuna Matata, which means, no worries. Simba grows up far from home. In the jungle, Simba learns to forget his past. He eats bugs, sings songs, and lives freely. But deep inside, he still misses his father. He still has questions about who he is. Life is peaceful, but something feels missing. He dreams of the stars and thinks about Mufasa. He is unsure about his future. But one day, Simba meets Nala, his childhood friend. She tells him the Pride Lands are dying under Scar's rule. She wants Simba to return and take his place as king. At first, Simba says no. He is still afraid and full of guilt. But he talks to Rafiki, a wise monkey, and remembers who he really is. Rafiki shows Simba that Mufasa lives in him. This helps Simba remember his true self. He realizes he must go back and face his past. He decides to be brave and return to the Pride Lands. Timon and Pumbaa go with him. They want to help their friend. Simba is ready to fight for his kingdom. Simba returns to the Pride Lands. He sees the land is dry and empty. The animals are sad and hungry. Scar has made everything worse. Simba meets Scar and tells him he must leave. But Scar lies and says Simba killed Mufasa. The other lions are shocked. A fight begins. During the fight, Scar tells the truth. He says he killed Mufasa. Simba gets angry and fights Scar. The lions fight together and defeat Scar and the hyenas. The rain falls and the land starts to heal. Simba climbs Pride Rock and roars. He becomes the new king. Simba rules with kindness and respect. He brings peace and balance back to the Pride Lands. The animals are happy again. Later, Simba and Nala have a cub. The circle of life continues. This shows the importance of leadership and family. It is a beautiful ending to a powerful story. This movie teaches us many things. It teaches us about courage, responsibility, and forgiveness. Simba had to grow up and face his fears. He learned to forgive himself and take his place in life. The story also shows the importance of family and friendship. Let's look at some important vocabulary. The first word is king. A king is a male ruler. Mufasa is the king of the Pride Lands. Another word is cub. A cub is a baby animal, like a lion or bear. Simba is a lion cub. These words help you describe the characters. Next is stampede. A stampede is when a group of animals run fast together. It can be dangerous. Mufasa dies in a stampede. Guilt means feeling bad for something you did. Simba feels guilt after his father dies. Bravery means showing courage. Simba shows bravery when he returns to fight Scar. Responsibility means doing what you are supposed to do. Simba learns to take responsibility as the new king. Legacy is another word to know. Legacy means what you leave behind. Mufasa's legacy was love and wisdom. These words help you understand the deeper message. Now let's practice using these words. Try saying, Simba is a brave cub. Mufasa was a good king. Scar caused a stampede. Simba felt guilt. He took responsibility. Repeat these lines slowly and clearly. Use them in short conversations or roleplays. Let's learn some phrases from the movie. The most famous is Hakuna Matata. It means, no worries. Another one is, remember who you are. Mufasa says this to Simba. It reminds him of his true self. You can use these in real life too. Say these phrases aloud. Hakuna Matata. Remember who you are. Feel the meaning in each word. Try using them in your daily life. For example, if you are stressed, say Hakuna Matata to feel calm. These phrases can motivate and inspire you. Let's do a short quiz. What does cub mean? A. Adult lion, B. Baby lion, C. Tiger. The answer is B. What does bravery mean? A. Fear, B. Lying, C. Courage. The answer is C. What does guilt mean? A. Feeling bad, B. Being proud, C. Laughing. The answer is A. Why is king important in the story? Because the whole story is about who should be king. Why is responsibility important? Because Simba learns to be responsible. These words are part of the movie's message. Understanding them helps you understand the movie. You can learn English by watching this movie with subtitles. Try to listen and read at the same time. Pause and repeat the lines. Write down new words. Look them up and practice using them in sentences. This helps improve your understanding. Make a list of words like brave, king, friend, lion, and return. Practice making simple sentences. For example, Simba is a lion. He is a brave king. He returned home. Repeating these will help you remember. Try to use them in your writing. Try speaking with a partner. One can be Simba and the other can be Scar. Act out a short scene. You can even record yourself speaking. Listen and correct your mistakes. This is a fun way to practice speaking. It helps build your confidence. Also try writing a short story using the new vocabulary. For example, once there was a brave lion cub. He became king. He showed bravery and took responsibility. Keep it simple and short. This helps with writing skills and using new words. If you liked this video, you might also enjoy learning English with other movies. Try movies like Frozen, Moana, or Toy Story. Each one has its own message and new words to learn. Watching movies is a great way to learn real English. Remember, learning takes time. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep watching, listening, and practicing. Try to speak a little every day. Use the new words and phrases. Soon you will see your English improving. You will feel more confident. Thank you for watching Learn English with Movies. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment with your favorite part of The Lion King. Also tell us which movie you want to learn from next. See you in the next video.